Hello, today we're going to talk about the TECH2 social media selfie light with phone holder. As you can see here, this is a 10-inch ring light, and I'm going to be doing a video and unboxing this item. So before I start, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner from your viewing side and subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome. Hopefully, after reviewing this video, you gain some benefit, and if so, please hit the like button and feel free to leave comments. I always like to read comments and respond to them. So let's get started. So this is a TECH2. Once again, it's a ring light, and then there's also a phone holder. It's pretty good idea. It comes in a not too big of a box. It's for your tabletop. It's great for selfies, vlogging, or doing cosmetics. But let's go ahead and unbox this. And before I unbox it, just to give you some general information about this. So this is a 10-inch ring light. It has high output LED. There's 3 lighting modes: warm, white, cool, and white hybrid. It's great for live stream with ease, and it's great for taking photos and making videos. So this is the front of the box. And then this is the back of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so this is what you get when you unbox it. The first thing you get is the quick start instruction booklet. Very important. Instruction booklets are always very good to have, as it actually goes through the steps on how to actually assemble this ring light. Okay, and also how to use it. So the first thing you'll get is you're going to get your 10-inch ring light, and then you're going to put it out. Voila, this is your 10-inch ring light. And then you're going to have the remote control on there. And as you can see, there's a red on-off button for power. There's a minus and then a plus. Those are for going up or down on how you like your lighting to be. And then also there's a switch here for the different modes. That's in the center. So we'll go through that when we assemble it. So I'm gonna leave that on the side. The next thing you have is your tripod. This tripod is very unique. I mean, the legs are very skinny. That's the first thing I noticed. But it does, flip open. So you can push it all the way down like this. Or you can leave it. So it's like a 2-mode tripod. And then the next thing you have is number 3 is your phone holder stand, which is this, which is a little ball that you need. And then number 4 is going to be your tripod head, which is this. And then last but not least is your phone holder. So let's just remove the plastic. And let's start assembling it. So the first thing you want to do is, you can follow the directions on how to assemble, or you can actually just go ahead and look at the picture and assemble it. It's pretty straightforward, but let's just go ahead and get this rolling. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to grab the phone holder stand, and then I'm going to attach it to the tripod head. So I'm going to screw it in there. Actually, let me hold on to something first. I made a mistake there. You're going to get the tripod head, and with the screw on here, you're going to actually screw it onto the ring light, the 10-inch ring light, on the bottom where there's a hole is in gold right there. So you're going to screw it in there. My bad. Now, just to share something to you guys. So sometimes when you get these tripod heads, they're like flimsy, really loose. So before you screw it to the ring light, just tighten the head so that it's really tight. So that way when you're trying to twist it, it doesn't shake around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use your phone holder stand and you're going to stick it into the other side of the ring light. Just go screw here. So you're going to screw that in. And then now what you got to do is you got to add the phone holder, which is this. Now this one is very unique, so it's kind of like a claw phone holder with kind of like some plastic on all four of these corners. It's going to go in here, your phone holder stand, the screw. So you're going to loosen this a little bit, and then you're going to flip this. And as you can see, there's a little ball. You're going to stick the ball inside. So you're going to loosen it until you can stick the ball inside. There you go. Then you're going to tighten it. All right. So we have it tightened right now. And it's tightened. Okay. And then what you can do is you can actually go ahead and stick an iPhone in there if you like. And I'll use one of my old iPhones. So I just stick it in there. And voila, you have your phone right there. And then you can also twist it to go the other way. So it depends on whichever direction you like your phone to be, whether it's up, down, or right and left. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your tripod, and then you're going to screw it onto the bottom of the tripod head. So let me go ahead and I just showed you this. So then there's a screw little hole right there under the tripod head. You're going to get this tripod stand and just going to screw it in there. All right. Okay, so we have a tripod right now. As you can see, it's standing right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower it to the very bottom, the lowest, with the legs spread out. Okay. There we go. And again, you know, this ring light will move around as you can allow it to turn right, left, back, up. So very, very easy, very good. And if you want to tighten the position, just turn this knob here that's on the phone tripod head. And then what you're going to do is you notice that your power will be through your USB. So you can plug it to your laptop, or you can plug it to an outlet that takes in USB. The outlets are not provided, the little outlet that you adjust to it. So you guys got to plug this in either to your computer for juice or the outlet. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So the first thing you'll notice once you plug it in is that this light becomes blue. You'll see a blue light there, and basically it's your power button. So let's click on the power button, and boom, the light comes on. Now I assume this is part of my warm mode. So I'm going to change the mode. This is probably my, well, no, I would say this is my warm mode. This is probably my white cool or white hybrid. This part is my white cool. So warm, white cool, and white hybrid. That's probably what I would name the 3 lighting modes. So since we're on this lighting mode, let's just see how many of the brightness it allows. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's probably like 10 brightness level. And basically you're just pressing the minus button to get that. You want to increase it, just hit the plus button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So there you have it. This is unboxing and assembling the social media selfie light from TECH2. This item is not bad. It has its great uses as it's very convenient. You can actually package it, and when you're traveling, and also you can actually put it on your desk or anywhere that, you know, if you're in a small place, you can just take it out and do your vlogging, take pictures and do videos. And you know, the brightness is very good. Would I buy this item? I would say for me, I'll probably hold off because I'm not a big fan of this tripod leg. I kind of have to manually open it. I do like that it has the little plastics on these 3 corners. So it stays good, but I like the tripod stands where I can just push it down and it just flattens down. And then, you know, I don't have to actually pull it myself. So this cost for this item will run you about 16 bucks. I mean, probably retails for like $25. But the thing is, you go to one of those department stores, like kind of those retail box stores, I would say like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those are probably the best places to get it. You can probably get it for like $16. So there you have it. This is, once again, this is TECH2. Hopefully added some value to you watching this video. If so, please hit the like button. And once again, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. I always make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I upload them during those days. So thank you very much.